Taking step by step, it's all it takes. Keeps him active, alert, and wide awake. Doing this made him feel a decade younger. Doing this made him better and stronger. Today is the last day of the promise he made, to walk 10 kilometers in the sun, rain, and shade. It was definitely not an easy trade. Now is the time to finally have a parade. A man of passion, patience, and endurance. A man who pushing himself is a preference. Today marks the day your walk has paid off. It seems in anything you can take off. I hope to encourage you to increase your streak to reach another peak. You've been a role model for every day of the week, from Monday to Sunday, in which God you seek. Leader, gentleman, a promise keeper. Your love for us is rising steeper. Handsome, humble, a strong believer. Step by step like you, oh yes, I'm eager. Father, thank you for the support you provided. I take step by step like you, where I'm guided. Father, thank you for the support you provided. You've brought us hope and made sure we were never divided. Step by step, I'd like to be like you. In so many ways, our family waits for you to come back together so we can all reunite after there's no quarantine, so you can take flight. Father, I just remember your composure in any situation, in any kind of exposure. Your resilience is awesome, hard to find one better. Your charisma blossoms in any kind of weather. Step by step, this is a letter to you, a letter in which I pour my heart to you. It's a pleasure to write about our family's glue. With you, I feel anything we could pull through. Father, you are a passionate man who does his very best to understand each one of us as best you can. From the day you married to your whole lifespan, you pray for us, you say in God we trust. You are on the right bus, as we have discussed, a bus which is on the righteous path, for I know God always got your back. Step by step, I'll reflect as I start to write. I pray that God uses you at new heights, so that God can change the world through you, so that God can keep making your faith in you. Father, I'd like to profess my sincere love for you. You're a forgiver and provider like the one above. I can't wait till the day I can make you kimchi stew. You're the family's pillar, our burdens are doves. Father, thank you for the support you provided. I take step by step like you, where I'm guided. Father, thank you for the support you provided. You've brought us hope and made sure we were never divided. Father, thank you for the support you provided. I take step by step like you, where I'm guided. Father, thank you for the support you provided. You've brought us hope and made sure we were never divided.